What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today, man? Welcome to Healers National. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. We're doing the Pisces reading here, okay? You don't have to be a Pisces to resonate with this reading here, okay? Also, you may resonate for some of my other readings here as well, okay? So if you're subscribed to this Healers National channel, go over and check out the Essential Healer as well, because YouTube only lets you post so many videos a day, so I have to do some on the Essential Healer and some on Healers National here, and I be switching up. So go check out the Essential Healer as well, okay? Amen. All right, we're going to get into this, Pisces, and see what you need to know, what Spirit wants you to know, what you should be aware of, what's coming towards you, all of that good stuff here, okay? So let's get into this. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, amen, okay? Oh, snap. Okay. So there's a female cop. Ooh, there's a female cop here going through karma. Okay. This person could be in the same-sex relationship. But we got a female cop here that's definitely going through some karma. Okay. Something that's going to be happening this weekend. It could be for the female cop that's in the same-sex relationship here, okay? What is this? Spirit. Oh. Spell work is wearing off, okay? So, I'm guessing the female cop was definitely doing some spell work on the situation, okay? Wow. Can't make this up. Done spell work on you. Spell work is wearing off. This female cop. Oh. Somebody has murdered somebody here. Okay, somebody's also trying to block your love life here as well, so know that. But also know that you are protected here as well, okay? Amen. Yeah, the devil has got a hold of these people, especially the female cop here. This female cop is definitely going through karma. This person has done spell work on you and is wearing off here, okay? So here we go. Message for Pisces, please. Yeah, this person was definitely trying to send in a false person towards you here as well, okay? Hold on. So if you went through a CPS case, or if you had CPS come to your house or whatever, okay, this person that's trying to send in this false person, I'm guessing is one that called CPS on you here, okay? There's somebody definitely called CPS on this situation, so you'll know if this is your story, I guess, by that here as well, okay? A female aunt or cousin could have called CPS on you. Message for Pisces, please. Ooh. Somebody was also involved with some forging of documents as well here, okay? So we got a female cop that's going through karma, okay? This female cop could be in a same-sex relationship, okay? And something's going to be happening for this person this weekend, okay? Because they definitely done spell work here, and the spell work is wearing off, but they've definitely done spell work here. Okay. Snap. And this person that called CPS on you, the devil's got a hold of this person here, and this person that has murdered somebody here as well, okay? These people are trying to block your love life here. They're trying to send in false people towards you, and they're forging of some documents here. You have a female aunt or cousin here as well, okay? These people definitely want you broke, homeless, or dead here, okay? So just know that you are protected, okay? Amen. What else we got for Pisces, Spirit, please? No. Yeah, this is somebody from your past here, okay? What is this person from your past? Could be a Virgo, or this person is definitely in hermit mode for what they've done. Could be a Virgo or a Cancer, or somebody's in hermit mode because the police could be coming here. This police can be in hermit mode. What? Amen. Yeah, definitely somebody took a leap here, and now they're going to need to have strength in a situation. What is this? Is this a... Why is everything flying? Okay, so somebody definitely tried to cause an ending for you here for some money. A big 10 of Pentacles here, okay? This is screaming like life insurance, okay? This is definitely screaming like life insurance. Somebody was definitely trying to, yeah. Off you. Truth. So we got Cancer, we got Gemini out here, we got, Gemini. There could be a Gemini involved, okay. Wow, we got Virgo, we got Cancer, we got Leo, we got Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo out here, and we got Scorpio. So yeah, somebody was definitely trying to offer you here for some life insurance is what it looks like, straight up. And for whatever you got here, okay. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, they were definitely trying to cause your ending here with death and the Four of Swords. All right, let's get more into this and see what we can get for you guys. Okay, amen. Hopefully, y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day. Amen. Okay. All right, Spirit. What else can we get for Pisces here? Message for Pisces. We have some gang members here. So what's up with these gang members? Yeah, something these gang members do for money here. I don't know if you're in a gang or connected to a gang. There's a gang here. What's up with these gang members and what they do for money? Oh, Delilah. So, Delilah could do something here for money. Okay. We have the Nebraska here. Delilah could have done something in, this gang member, this Delilah here, I don't know if she's from Nebraska or is in Nebraska now, but, definitely did a shut-up spell here. So Delilah did a shut-up spell. Yeah, this person is under judgment. I guess that's what this person does for money here. We have a starseed. They then to a starseed. Yeah, that's not going to end well. Yeah, to receive some unexpected income. Did a shut-up spell on a starseed. So. Somebody's got STDs as well. This came out when my readings with Delilah having STDs. Maybe that's why she's doing a shut-up spell. Yeah. Yeah. The FBI is watching this person here. Yo. That's a big STD, yo. Wow, amen. So, Cody could have HIV/AIDS. Delilah. Devin? What's up with Devin? All these people running around here with STDs and HIV. Why don't you go to the doctor, amen? Instead of doing shit up spells on somebody. Like, go to the doctor. Okay? So, we have Devin with a car here. So what's up with Devin with this car? Devin pays for readings. So Devin pays for readings. Benjamin. So there's something with Devin in the car and somebody pays for reading. Is it? It might be. I don't know if it's Benjamin or Devin here. Hold on. Who pays for readings? Is it Devin? Okay. Is it Benjamin? No. Okay. Devin is the one that pays for readings here. What's up with Benjamin? It's all about the Benjamins, baby. No? Okay. What's up with Benjamin? Ooh. The color orange speaks can be significant. Somebody could have an orange vehicle, maybe. Ooh. So what is this? Something's going to be breaking news. Maybe something with to do with Benjamin here is going to be breaking news. What is this? Whoa. Oh, forging documents. Oh, snap. Okay. Yep, someone's going to be breaking news. Somebody named Benjamin. Forging some documents. What else? What else we got for Pisces? Whoa. Why does everybody be forging documents? Why don't you forge your own documents? People are just ignorant. We have the name Krista. We have the name Krista. Lied. Okay, Krista lied. What did Krista lie about? So Krista lied about something here. What'd she lie about? Message for Pisces. Krista lied. A rapper. Somebody, did Krista lie to a rapper? Sex magic. Did Krista lie to a rapper to get them to do sex music? Sex music. Wow, sex magic? Sex music? Maybe for did somebody give somebody $80 to $90, $80 to $90,000 here? Joseph? And the color pink is relevant. Somebody nickname, car, hair, color pink. This pink person is obsessed with somebody here. Is obsessed with you. Yeah, these people are stuck. So, we have a gang member here, okay? They definitely do something for wealth here, okay? I don't know if they paid for this or they do this here, okay? But they could have paid somebody in Nebraska, or this person could be in Nebraska, okay? Definitely there's a shut-up spell. I don't know if they were paid to do a shut-up spell or they paid somebody to do a shut-up spell, but we have the name Delilah here. This person is definitely under judgment here, okay? They've done this to a star seed, okay? They did some unexpected income. They did this to also receive some unexpected income because somebody's definitely got STDs and they don't want somebody to talk about it here, okay? We have the FBI watching as well, okay? Somebody has HIV/AIDS as well. This is Cody here, okay? We have the name Devin, something with a car here, okay? Devin pays for readings. We have something significant with the color orange with Benjamin. Benjamin can have an orange vehicle, okay? Something is going to be breaking news here as well, okay? There's definitely something with some forging of documents, okay? Let me see if it's Benjamin or Krista. Did Benjamin forge documents? Okay. So Benjamin forged some documents here, and there's somebody named Krista here that lied, okay, maybe to a rapper, okay, to get them to do sex magic, okay, to so they can get between like $80 to $90 or $80 to $90,000 here, okay. We have the name Joseph. We have the color pink here as well. That's significant to somebody. These people are obsessed with you, and now these people are stuck in the hangman position, okay? So that's what I got for Pisces. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select on. Y'all have a blessed day, amen, okay?